Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady, and as always, I'm joined by Jules.
Hi, everyone. Today we are looking at two words that both describe something good, but knowing which one to pick depends on how many things you are talking about.
So, what are the mystery words for today?
Today we are comparing better and best. Learners mix them up all the time because they both come from the root word good, and they look very similar.
Let's start with better. That is spelled B-E-T-T-E-R. It is a comparative adjective.
That means we use it to compare exactly two things against each other.
Exactly. A simple rule of thumb is, if you can hold one choice in your left hand and one choice in your right hand, use better to pick the winner.
Okay, let's imagine you are starving and you need to choose a place for dinner. There are exactly two pizza shops on your street.
Right. So you taste a slice from both shops to compare them, and you say, Mario's pizza is better than Luigi's pizza.
Now for our second word, best. That is spelled B-E-S-T. This is a superlative adjective.
That means it is the number one choice out of a whole group. 3 things, 10 things, or even a million things.
Back to our pizza emergency. Now you're comparing all the pizza places in your entire city.
So you would say, Mario's pizza is the best pizza in the city. You're comparing it to many other shops, not just one.
The common mistake learners make is using best for only two things. They'll say something like, between coffee and tea, coffee is the best.
Ah, yes, I hear that a lot. But since it's only 2 drinks, the correct way is, between coffee and tea, coffee is better.
And if you want to use best, you just need a bigger group. Like, out of all the hot drinks in the world, coffee is the best.
Here's a quick memory trick for you. Better ends in ER, which is 2 letters, so use it for 2 things. Best has an S, which stands for several things.
Now it's your turn. For your homework, look around your kitchen and write 2 sentences in the comments.
Compare 2 snacks using better, and then tell us the best food in your entire house.
You guys are doing great. Just keep practicing and don't worry about making mistakes.
We hope this lesson made your English a little bit better. See you next time on Mady English Practice.